to go outside and play?
No.
Why not? You woke up grumpy? Evan, come outside. Hey, you want to go outside and play?
No. No.
Why not? Please. Evan, can I have a kiss?
No.
Can you blow a kiss to Daddy? Evan, will you blow a kiss to Daddy? Can you blow a kiss to the phone? Evan, will you blow a kiss to Daddy in the phone? Evan.